Hey friends, I want to share with you a cool project we did in 2018. I finally was able to go check out the install of this project. In West Hollywood there's a new hotel called The Addition, and we were hired by a local LA company to build a bunch of stainless columns. What you're looking at is glass in between these columns, about 4 foot on center, and we built over 250 of these 1-inch thick stainless 316 line grained, little angle clips, then drilled and tapped, and countersunk screws. It was a tricky project. We purchased probably, I want to say, over 30,000 pounds of 1-inch stainless. I was able to go out recently and spend an hour or so on the rooftop taking some video and some photos. You can see different things in the background. The view from West Hollywood is amazing that day. This is just a couple days after Thanksgiving, after we had a big rain. You can see the corners here. There were several of these that were same, but then when we got to these corners, there was each individual one had to be designed for the location and stuff. What you don't see is how these are mounted. Down at the bottom of each column, there's these here by the edge. There's a foot of dirt and stuff for plants, and they're actually bolted down to the roof. The install team red-headed studs into the beams in the roof, and then you see the nice clean brickwork there. They did an awesome job. There's another view. This is LA in the background, downtown. It was an amazing day for these videos. And the rooftop to the left inside that glass is the bar, and when it's warmer, those big windows open up. Here's the gate between the bar area and the pool area, and we were able to walk through yesterday because there's no one in the pool, and it's amazing up there. Down below is Sunset Boulevard, the hills of Hollywood. Another view of the beautiful install the team did. Here we come up again on that transition from the bar area to the pool area where there's a gate. Century City in the background. There's Long Beach and Pedro. Actually, Catalina's back there too. Yeah, a lot of these corner pieces were one-offs. There you go, friends. Peace out.